Harley Fat Boy Jr. Little garage grappling today. Super beautiful out right now. Get the bike chalked up. Get this windshield going. Just a quick update on the windshield. So I ended up having to go. I had to buy a completely brand new windshield from Harley just to get the hardware. I tried so many different ways just to get the brackets for the windshield that I got for Freedom Windshield from Freedom Shields. And I couldn't, man. There's like so many different parts that come for the brackets. And, you know, when I tried to just get the kit alone, they couldn't scramble all the parts that I needed. So I had to just get the windshield that, you know, from Harley. It obviously comes with all the hardware. And there it is. Got my name on it and everything. A little bummed, a little frustrated because it was obviously money that I didn't plan on spending. The windshield that I got from Freedom Shield was $189. It was just, you know, it was a tinted windshield, and I didn't want to go with clear. I definitely didn't want to go with Harley. Again, no offense to Harley, it's just, man, it's a lot of money. So I don't know what I'm going to do with the clear windshield that I got. I don't know if I'll just save it for, I don't know, another Fat Boy or try and sell it. But if any of you guys watching this are interested, let me know, because I definitely don't need it. I can easily save it and use it later on down the line and, you know, turn it into something that I'll like. But for the all blacked out Harley, for my all blacked out bike, I just don't want to go with the clear windshield. So who knows what I'm going to do. We'll see what's up. But right now I just want to focus on getting this on the bike. On a little bit of a time crunch right now, but and then also too, like obviously all the hardware's chrome. So I might have my brother powder coat those bad boys for me before I take off. But right now just trying to focus on getting them on the bike. But yeah, let's open up what we got from Harley. Make sure everything's there. Make sure everything's in order. Nothing's broken. Yeah, we'll go from there. Let's go. Oh, this box looks kind of messed up. You gotta be kidding me, dude. There's literally nothing. Oh, wow, crazy. So this already comes with the brackets. It's already ready to go. Everything's on the windshield. Wow, it looks nice. I'm confused though, because it looks like, so as you can see, you can tell where all the chrome is. Like, I'd love to get all this powder coated black. Something's missing though, because obviously I need the parts to mount on the bike. But this is really all it came in. I'm a little disappointed, man. Like, just like, it's just a box, this plastic, and that was it. No popcorn or anything else. I see some hardware in here. Let's see. Is that it? So look, yeah, it looks like this is it. And the bolts already got blue Loctite on there. Yeah, maybe this is it. But yeah, this is 19 inch as well. This is really nice, man. This windshield is really nice. Let me grab the other one, kind of compare the two. Oh, well, this has got the brackets on, so it looks a little bit taller, but these are it side by side. This is a little wider. And then obviously the top of what Freedom Shield is known for too is that little curvature that comes up and out. It kind of looks similar, but yeah. Well, at least it all came together, so I kind of know I'm just going to swap all this hardware out and put it on here, and we should be good to go. Hopefully everything will line up. Someone in the forum was just saying just to be careful when you're doing the ones on the bottom. But yeah, so this is the windshield right there from Harley, and had to get the windshield just to get all the hardware that's on here, which I don't understand. When I'm looking at it, it looks like it's just a bunch of nuts and bolts, and then the brackets, it's like 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces? No way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces? What would be so hard? Anyway, it's here, so get it going. So that's that. That's the windshield from Harley. Again, man, shout out to Uncle Jeff from Timbertown Harley Davidson, who just went above and beyond, man. Was contacting people, trying to make stuff happen. Spoke to different dealerships throughout the country, just trying to find the windshield because they're hard to get. They're on back order till like I think mid to late July. But he was able to get this one for me, and just super blessed, man. Super thankful because Sturgis is right around the corner. Gonna slap this on today and get this going, but just want to do a quick update, and yeah, just looking forward to getting it on the bike and taking it for a test ride and make sure it does what it does. So more to come, man, more to come. Hope you guys are all doing well. Appreciate you tuning in. You know what to do. Stay safe, stay blessed, and let's continue to spread the love, people, because we need it. Fat Boy out. Boom.